फिल्म है द कश्मीर फाइल्स, इसने एक वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड बनाया है पहली बार विश्व के इतिहास में।
मैंने सोचा नहीं था कि मैं किसी चीज में वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड तोड़ूंगी, लेकिन मैंने तोड़ दिया है।
वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड बनते देखना अपने आंखों के सामने बड़ी बात है, वो भी जलेबी का वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड।
मेरी कंपनी कैलवे वाटर एंड सोडा ने इंटरनेशनल बुक ऑफ रिकॉर्ड में अपना नाम दर्ज कर लिया है।
वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड की हैट्रिक बना के अपना नाम इंटरनेशनल बुक ऑफ रिकॉर्ड्स दर्ज करवा जा रही है।
In the heart of Mangalayathan University, a historic moment unfolds, a moment that speaks of unity, culture, and the fight for justice. On the occasion of Bhagwan Birsa Munda Jayanti, a day dedicated to the revered tribal leader and freedom fighter, we unite in the spirit of his legacy, a moment where the world stands witness to a movement that celebrates the pride and spirit of the Janjatia community. On this day, Mangalayathan University becomes more than an institution of learning. It becomes a canvas for change as we join hands to raise our voices for the rights of the tribal community. Thousands gather, dressed in the vibrant and sacred ethnic wear of the Janjatia people, ready to make a statement. For the first time, Mangalayathan University students and staff embrace their heritage in a celebration of language, culture, and pride. The language of the tribe, the very soul of their identity, resonates in every conversation, every chant, and every word spoken throughout the day. United in purpose, they stand in the shape of an archery, a symbol of strength, precision, and focus. An archery that speaks of the fight for tribal rights, the aim for equality, and the unwavering determination to protect culture and tradition.
Mangalayathan University, Jabalpur is one of the leading institutions in central part of India, and it is known for its excellent education provider, and it has got a biggest slogan for all the people in the country. Mangalayathan University has been committed for providing innovative and creative education for all the children, and developing the children to such a level that they should become themselves as entrepreneurs after they complete their education in our university.
On this Bhagwan Birsa Munda Jayanti, we honor the legacy of a man who fought relentlessly for the rights and freedom of the tribal community. Today, the voices of the Janjatia people echo across the nation, and the world is listening. The human chain formed here is not just a physical demonstration. It is an assertion of rights, an effort to be heard, an attempt to etch this moment into history by achieving the title in the International Book of Records. This is more than a gathering, this is a collective cry for justice, for recognition, and for the empowerment of tribal communities. Through the power of culture, through the force of unity, Mangalayathan University stands with the Janjatia people. Today, language is more than just words. It is an act of resistance. Today, culture is more than tradition. It is a tool for social change. And today, Mangalayathan University proudly adds its name to the global efforts in recognizing and promoting tribal rights.
As a Pro Vice Chancellor of Mangalayathan University, my first priority and only concentration is for the overall development of students and faculties by involving them in curricular activities, by giving them research and library facilities. Because I believe that if we provide them all this, they will grow in all-round development, and once they grow, the university will grow.
As we stand in solidarity, we aim not just for a title, but for the realization of a future where tribal communities are recognized, valued, and empowered. This archery represents the strength to protect what matters most, the spirit of the Janjatia people. Today, we celebrate more than an achievement. We celebrate a movement that transcends time. We celebrate unity, resilience, and the promise of a better tomorrow. Mangalayathan University, where education meets empowerment, and where every voice, every story, and every culture is celebrated. Together, we rise. Together, we aim for a brighter future for the Janjatia community. Human Chain for Tribal Rights, Mangalayathan University, a record-breaking moment in history. Celebrating Bhagwan Birsa Munda Jayanti.